May chopstick yan.
Happy Mother's Day!
Here I am.
We're doing barbecue again. So we have, what do we have? We have seafood. Cheers. Naika made this for us. Korean barbecue. We have beef. Is this salmon? Tuna. Salmon. Pork. Oh my god. My spring rolls. And we have our dessert here. Look at our dessert. Thanks to Ruby. Ruby never says no to me every time I order from Ruby. Thank you, Ruby. And leche flan. In English, they call it yummy creme brulee. Wow. Thank you.